In this video, you will learn about the Thesaurus in Engineering Village. Not all databases have a thesaurus. For example, Scopus does not have one. The thesaurus is a list of technical terms specifically chosen to standardize the way the content is organized in the database. It is not the same as an English thesaurus. Since the terms are carefully chosen, they are known as controlled vocabulary terms. Imagine that you only search using keywords that you know of. You would miss out on some papers that are relevant to your research topics, as the keywords you search for may not be the same ones used by the authors themselves. Since it is difficult to list exhaustively all the keywords in your search, using controlled vocabulary terms greatly reduces this problem. To access the thesaurus, click on Search at the top and select Thesaurus. There are three ways of using the thesaurus. Vocabulary search, which is the default search, and allows you to check if a term exists in the controlled vocabulary. The exact term is used if you know the exact subject heading. Browse is similar to looking up a term if you had a print copy of the thesaurus. As you can see, Compendex, Inspect, and GeoBase each have their own thesaurus. Usually we use Compendex Thesaurus since a large portion of EV's contents come from this database. Let's do an example. I will search for machine learning using vocabulary search. Click on Search Index. If you enter a search term that is not in this controlled vocabulary list, the system will show alternate suggestions. In our case, machine learning is listed. Click on that, and this indicates that machine learning is a controlled vocabulary term. Click on the scope node to find out when this term was introduced to the database. The broader terms, narrower terms, and related terms are also listed. Let's look at the diagram to understand the hierarchy. Here we have machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of these two terms, which are artificial intelligence and learning systems. So these are at the higher level that we call them broader terms. Underneath machine learning, there are also subtopics. For example, backpropagation, deep learning, and so on. These are what we call the narrower terms. There is also another group of terms which are associated with machine learning, for example, big data, data science, and large data set. We refer to these terms as related terms since they are on the same level as machine learning. So all in all these are synonyms that you can consider using for your search. To select a term for searching, check the box, and it will be added to the box on the right. You can select more terms for your search. For example, if you want deep learning, it is now added to the box on the right. Select the Boolean operator that you need to use, then click on the button here to search. While controlled vocabulary is useful, there are cases where it might not be available and you have to default back to the normal keyword search. So the takeaway is to use both keywords and controlled terms if available in your search to ensure that you don't miss out on any relevant results. To summarize, the thesaurus enables us to identify controlled vocabulary terms for our research topics, as well as find synonyms and related terms. With the thesaurus, you can improve your search statement and increase your search efficacy.